Alright, what's going on, guys? Here we go. Put the guide coat on it. That's what we got. Not bad. So we can see, we got down to the Bondo, so that was high. More high. That was high. So now since I've done that, I'm gonna go with my friend Pete's suggestion, which is I did on this one. So he does his first prime like I did. 80 and then 180. So I got the 180. I'll end up doing the 180. Pretty sure did the 180. Yeah. So I'll go over that with 180, which should be a quick swipe, and then put 2 more coats of primer on it, and then 180, 320, and then that door will be ready for paint. So, hey, I'm happy. It's still a little low, but I'm pretty happy the way that door turned out. Pretty cool. Feels really, really smooth. So I'm happy. I'm A-okay. You know, I mean, I didn't really have to do a lot of body work besides, you know, the bottoms here. So I'm really nervous about that, what I had to do over there. But so far everything's coming out pretty good. I'm really liking it, so I'm really happy with that. So I got to go out and I got to get more primer. I don't have much left in that gallon can. So what I'm thinking I am going to do, I'm probably going to save the fenders for last. I'm not going to do anything with those yet. I'm going to take the front valance. I'm going to put that either over here or over there. I'm going to finish the 2 doors, the hood, the trunk, and the valance. And then I'm going to put the 2 more coats of primer on this, and then I'll start doing the fenders. Because I still want to put the fenders on the car before I do it, but I'm hoping that the body is just as clean as this and I don't have a lot of high and low spots. But, you know, I mean, it's all going to depend on how this crap turned out. My mistake there. I know I'm going to have to fix that. And you can somewhat see where see the line there? That's where the old paint was, and that's where the metal was. So I don't know how that's going to work out. It might work out okay. Probably just have to feather in the old paint into the primer, so no worries on that. But I'm digging it, man. I'm thinking we're getting real freaking close, real close. As long as nothing goes goofy. But you guys take it easy. Have a good one. Peace.